Hey, what's up guys? It's David, your Android junkie, over at AndroidSpin.com, bringing you another app of the week. And this app is a nice little widget that I found. I've always, of course, been a huge widget head. And, battery widgets are pretty much, a dominant force when it comes to widgets. I've always had like a love-hate relationship with them. And, I don't know, it's like probably a month ago, I was like, you know what, it's time to put something on my screen, a little battery widget. So, went to the Play Store and found battery widget Reborn. Yes, that's right, exclamation point and all. And basically it's a little more than a widget. See right here, let's get over here, battery widget. Lots of options here. We got our first little menu, which is battery info, which shows you how much percentage is left. And right below it, you can see it says empty in 1 hour, 23 minutes. That doesn't sound pretty good. I think it's because I've been like really on my phone and I'm recording. So it's estimating that, hey, guess what? You're going to drain the absolute crap out of your battery right now. It also gives you the temperature, which is cool, the temperature of your battery. And then it's got a little button here that brings you to your battery usage screen. So that's pretty cool. Of course, you got power settings, like little toggles, just 3 of them. Your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data refresh, and airplane mode. Not too shabby. Oh, by the way, holo theme, sexy. Alright, then we got your swipe to the right, to the left, I should say. We got your little battery history chart. Yeah, it's a little weird that it started like right there. I don't understand that. There's a little glitch that I'm going to talk about that either, I don't know if it's my phone or me or the app itself. But anyways, you got a little chart here that gives you, the percentage to the time of day. Pretty much it's a chart like that. You see the decline. You got current cycle stats, discharging at 1 minute and 46 seconds. That's just probably because I'm recording and been on it a lot. Usually it's like, it'll say the percentage drops like 1%. Every, it just depends on how much you're using your phone, really. Charger unplugged 7 minutes ago, which is weird because I didn't have it plugged in. See, there's little weird things. There is just a couple little glitches or something, it's nothing too bad, nothing too major. Average long-term stats. It actually gives you like a little average of, obviously you can see it right there. Fully charged battery usually lasts about 12 hours, about 13 hours, I guess you could say. Battery usually charge in 2 hours, which is kind of cool. Swipe again, we got a little, this is what sold me right here, folks. This is what definitely sold me on this widget. I wasn't too impressed by the widget itself, which I'll get to it in a moment. I'll show you exactly what it looks like. But it gives you the option to put it in your notification bar. As you can see right here, I've brought up, expand, look at that. You get your nice little chart, you get your little indicator and empty indicator as well, right in your notification bar. So freaking awesome. That's what sold me on it, because obviously I got my original battery icon right there, but it's nice to just see that little chart just to see my battery's progress. That's just very sexy looking. You can have it in there if you want to or not. You can uncheck it. And it gives you also the option to use other stuff like battery info and top battery consumers. And it also gives you notification priority, so if you wanted an icon, so you could just see it right in your status bar, you can have that. Or if you don't want one at all, you don't have to have one at all. But of course it gives you the option to have the chart too. So that's pretty cool. Then it also gives you the option to have the toggles for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, background sync, airplane mode, all that fun stuff. Then we swipe over again, and you got some power saving settings. So if you're not really using your phone at night and you're not having it plugged in, you can have it on airplane mode. I don't know if anybody would really use that. And use degrees, and then of course all the information and stuff. And let's get out of here, and I'll show you what the widget looks like. Let's get over to it. Here we go. Let's go over this screen. Okay, battery widget. Okay, so you get a lot of options here, which is pretty cool. You can have the inner text, what to show. If you want it to show time remaining, you can have that instead. Or you could just have, have just the number, not the percentage. Whatever you please. And the inner text, you could change the color of it if you'd like, which is pretty cool. There's all kinds of options with that. And of course the circle, the inner circle, you could change the colors of that too. The remaining line, you can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see right there, it got bigger and then smaller. Bigger, smaller. Pretty cool. Secondary line, which is the gray line, bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller. Pretty cool. You got a little drop shadow to it, which really doesn't show much difference. Oh, but you can actually make it, you know, it's just very customizable, as you can see right here. And you can do the one-click action, so you can see, you can make it where if it just goes to this screen right here, the widget configuration, you can go to battery info or discharging chart or top battery consumers. Then battery type, you have main or dock battery. So that's pretty cool. There's a lot of options. Hit save. Goes right there. Let me enlarge it for you because I have my crap all weird. That's what it looks like. You can also change the color too if you want it red, yellow, whatever you please. It really doesn't matter. Pick your poison. But like I said, wasn't too impressed by it, but I was impressed that you can have that whole chart just sitting in there. And as you can see, it disappeared, if you noticed, which is my one complaint about this. For some reason, when you mess with certain settings, I don't know if it's just my phone or not. Let's go over here. But like if I disable it, try to put it back. Oh, it went back. Okay, cool. That actually worked. It didn't work before, but if you go show chart, if you unchart, you know, if you don't want to show the chart, you can not and just have it show, you know, the time left, and it won't expand. And you can show the chart. I'll give it a minute. I know I got my thing in tablet mode here. Oh, okay, it's finally working. Before it wasn't working, okay. Well, call me stupid. I guess I was just acting weird because it would not come back for some reason until I rebooted my phone. But I guess it works. So I guess I changed that. The only complaint I have is, you know, different looks to the battery, not just, you know, different colors. That'd be kind of cool if it had like the actual battery icon or just different stuff. But other than that, great job by the developer. I think it's an awesome battery widget. I suggest getting it. There's a free beta version that you can get. So try it out, see if you like it. And then there's a pro version, $2. You know, donate. It's always nice to donate to these developers for the hard work they do. And, you know, that's pretty much it. So I am David, your Android junkie over at AndroidSpin.com. And this has been App of the Week. Battery widget? Reborn. That's the way I like to say it. Thank you for watching.